Hello guys, today I will show you how to make animation like this. Go to the Canva, video and open up landscape video project in Canva. Now attach the background image you need. I will choose this one. Turn right and set image as a background. Now go to the element, frame and see all and scroll down and find the letters. Okay, now you can input the word you need with this animation. I will choose a business, so I will choose the letters for the word business. Select all and adjust the size of each letter. Now place each one like this. When you place the image, make the margin between each letter same as all. Now select all, click on right, align element and align the middle. Right. Go to the upload and select the same image as the background and drag and drop to each letter. Transform the size same as the background. Do the same process for all letters. Now delete the background image and make the center. Now select all letters and go animate and scroll down and I will choose this one, stomp, or you can use the beetle. Right. Select all letters and adjust the timeline duration little bit lower. Right. Now add the background image and drag and drop the background image to this area. Now select on each letters and copy and paste, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. You can see like this. Adjust the timeline duration like this. Center the image vertical and horizontal. Select each letter in second, copy and go to the animation, clear the animation and change the animation style. I will choose this one and select on the background image and add the animation with or you can choose any animation fit with your eye. I will choose the check zoom and set the settings for the font exit. Right. Now you can see the final animation. right. Now select each letter and click on the color icon and add the color white. Now click on the image and double click and delete the frame we have added.